Hmm. I wonder if I could find some more berries before the sun rises. Today's haul was good, but it really never hurts to have a little extra on hand. Hmm. Oh, my. I didn't realize I'd come this far. This creek is quite a ways away from home. Wait, is that? Oh, look at that duck. It is so cute. It is a little curious, though. I've never seen a duck out this late. Oh, hello there. Sorry to disturb you. Go back to what you were doing, little ducky. What are you staring at me for? Am I really that interesting? Oh, are you really coming to say hello to me? Oh. Oh, God, it's so cute. Oh, no animal has ever done this before to me. Usually they just run away or they try to eat my slime sometimes. What should I even do? I wish I could pet you, little guy, but unfortunately, water makes my slime kind of melt away and, well, your feathers are covered in it. Are you going to say anything? Can I get a little quack? Oh, uh, um, well, I don't know whether to be frightened or impressed. Are you really a duck? Whoa! Oh, wow. My goodness, you are, oh, you look, oh, very goopy. Oh, that's a very nice name. Please, call me Mulberry. Sorry, I kind of just have to ask. What are you? I've never seen a slime who was able to swim in water before, nor make such a convincing disguise. Mimic? As in, shapeshifter? Well, I gotta say, I've never heard of such a creature before. Please, tell me more about yourself. That's incredible. But why take on such a disguise? Wait, hunting? You eat those poor little creatures? No, of course I don't. I mean, I could, technically. My kind are, what are they called? Decomposers. We can digest just about anything. But I prefer to roam the woods for plants to eat. Especially berries. I love the sweetness of berries. Hence my name. Oh no, most slimes aren't born with a name. I took the liberty of naming myself after my favorite thing. I think it fits. How about you? Where did your name come from? An urban legend, huh? Well, you must be really well loved if people are making legends about you. I'm not really doing anything interesting. I'm merely looking for berries. I usually spend the nights foraging because I can't exactly roam during the day. The sun could just melt my slime into a puddle if I'm not careful. So, of course, I haven't really explored during the day. Not unless it's been cloudy anyways. And even then, I don't really stray too far from home, just in case, you know? You can actually go out during the day? That's amazing. What's the daytime like? Do you get to see lots of cute animals? Oh, what about sunsets? Do you get to bask in their light? I've caught glimpses of them, but like I said, I'm kind of afraid to be in the sun. What do you mean? But you can venture out during the daytime. So why stick to the shadows if you don't have to? Oh no. Are you hungry? Poor thing. Here, try this. Don't worry, my slime can regenerate. And besides, I'm sure it tastes sweet. I've been told that I give off kind of a fruity aroma, so my guess would be that that translates over to taste, right? At least I think that's how it works. Well, how is it? Oh, I'm so glad. Does it taste better than those defenseless creatures you've been eating? What do you mean, no? Meanie. I'm pouting. Just so you know, I am pouting. Because, despite having a variety of plants available, you still insist on eating defenseless, cute animals. I'm not listening, la 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 la. What? I'm not glancing back at you. I'm checking the creek. Well, I'm checking it for, okay. Yes, I am. You're just so fascinating. I've really never been so close to a creature with such a squishable. I mean, I've never been so close to a creature with such sharp teeth before, let alone one so large. What? I can check them out? Oh, thank you. Really? Oh, that's very kind of you. Wow. These are very pointy. And there's so many of them. Wow. They're so tough. I didn't realize parts of your body could be so hard. What was that chuckle for? I mean, I didn't mean it as an insult. You're still very amorphous and wriggly, and that's not why you were laughing? You know, you have a strange sense of humor. If you don't mind me asking, what happens to your teeth when you mimic into a new form? They go inside your body? You mean all of those teeth fit inside that one little duck? That is so interesting. And, well, it's quite terrifying. Oh, of course I'm not going to run away. Why would I do such a thing? Sure, I was scared when you first revealed yourself, but you aren't so frightening now that I've gotten to know you a little bit. You know, I haven't had a conversation like this in ages. Or, well, any conversations at all, really. Slimes are solitary creatures. Most prefer living alone rather than in big groups. And the humans in nearby towns seem more interested in harvesting my slime rather than talking to me. What do you mean the humans hunt you too? Why? You're so nice. Aw, poor thing. You know, you may look scary on the outside, or at least your teeth do. But personality is what matters. And I really think that yours is beautiful. It's beautiful. Just like the rest of you. Did I really say that out loud? I can't help it. It really isn't my fault that you look so attractive. Wait, I didn't mean to say that either. Oh. Yeah, of course you are. You're... don't make me say it. Fine. You're gelatinous, jiggly, amorphous, and I want to squish you all over. Oh, please forgive me. I don't know why my brain comes up with these things. Just because you're gorgeous, it doesn't mean I have to... wait. I'm just gonna stop talking now. Oh, gosh. Wait. I'll just stop talking now. No, you didn't do anything. I just... Oh my. It's getting hotter out here. No, not like that. I mean, literally. I feel like I'm about to start... Oh, the sun is out. Have we really been talking that long? Oh, no, I need to get back home. But, at this rate, I'll be a puddle before I can get there. Normally, when the sun comes out, I just squeeze in between some rocks until it sets again. But, well, I can't do that here. Look, the rocks are all soggy. Surely I'll dissolve before nightfall. Stand back? Why? Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. What is that? A Yeti? I've never heard of such a thing. Why is it so big? You're chilling the air. Hooray! Oh, thank you so much. Is ice magic something that mimics have a mastery over? Oh, so it's a property of Yetis then. How very interesting. Not only can you change shape, but you can copy certain abilities from the other creatures as well? Well, you're half right. Slimes can change shape, but we can't use any abilities we wouldn't otherwise have. Also, we don't really actually look like the shape that we choose. More like a kind of jello mold of it. Wait a minute. I'm not melting in the sun. Do you know what this means? As long as you're with me, I can travel during the daytime. Oh, I'm so excited. I can go around and see so many different animals. Oh, right. I'm sure the humans would be kinda suspicious if they saw a Yeti standing where they don't belong. Follow me. I know where we can find shelter. This quarry is where I normally stay to hide from the sun. There are plenty of rocks to squeeze into and a cliff face that blocks the sun. Thank you so much for saving me. Without you, I would have... Oh. Well, I'd rather not think about it. I really appreciate your kind words. They honestly might make me fall in love with you. Whoa. Why did I say that? Oh, I'm really bad at this. Did I mean it? Well, I mean, of course I did. You're just... You're so squishy. And you saved my life. It's no wonder that I, caught feelings, I guess. What do you mean, you have as well? Wow. You know, you're really strange. In a good way, though. Huh? Oh, yeah. I guess that makes us, a couple. If you want, I mean. Really? That's so wonderful to hear. So, well, what now? Just think about it. We can go on so many adventures together. I don't have to worry about the sun, and you won't have to worry about hunting. We can travel the world, finding so many different fluffy animals and new creatures. Oh, it's going to be the best. Right. We should probably get some rest first. I've been so interested in you that I completely forgot how long we've been traveling for. Oh, I can't wait for our adventures together. I only hope that you're, well, just as excited as I am. Sleep well then. I'll see you again tonight. Love.